naughty tutu. Gribbity-groo. Tirati-la-la-lula. Ah, look at the hairy little fangs. Who's got naughty hairy little fangs?
I suppose she does have quite an endearing epigastric fold.
Templeton!
I think they might need cleaning out and petting. Oh, poor little lab animals. Probably don't get enough attention.
Yeah, something tells me they'll have had enough soon. Cooing over small animals. I mean, sometimes Becky's such a girl. At least you and I don't act so stereotypically.
Core, look at the size of that machine.
Buttons and dials and levers and things whose purpose cannot possibly be clear until we touch them. Let's touch them!
Wow, it makes smoke and a noise.
Yeah, I think we're supposed to put something inside it.
The noise and smoke wasn't enough? Why must you always want more?